Welcome to the Banker Lamp. Please enjoy the video.
Start by gathering the core provisions for Trini vegetable soup. 2 cups diced pumpkin, 1 cup chacho, 1 cup dasheen, 1 cup sweet potato, and 1 cup carrots. Measure 3 liters of water to cook the roots and 1/2 cup split peas soaked for 1 hour. Prepare green seasoning: 1 tablespoon chopped cilantro, 2 cloves garlic, 1 teaspoon grated ginger, and 1 small onion. Dice 1 Scotch bonnet for heat, keeping seeds if you want more spice, and set aside 1/4 cup chopped chives for finishing. Heat 2 tablespoons vegetable oil in a large pot and sauté 1 diced onion and 2 cloves minced garlic for about 2 minutes until fragrant. Pour in 3 liters of water, add the soaked 1/2 cup split peas, and then add all diced provisions including pumpkin, chacho, dasheen, sweet potato, and carrot. Add 2 sprigs of thyme, a bay leaf, and simmer gently for 30 to 40 minutes until roots are tender. Make small dumplings from 1 cup flour and water. Add them and 1 cup coconut milk during the last 10 minutes of cooking. Taste and balance the soup. Add about 1 teaspoon salt and 1/2 teaspoon black pepper, then simmer 1 more minute and taste again. Brighten flavors with a squeeze of lime and stir in 1/4 cup chopped cilantro and 1/4 cup chives off the heat so the herbs stay vibrant. If you prefer richer soup, stir in an extra 1/2 cup coconut milk. Serve hot in bowls to yield about 6 to 8 servings, and garnish each bowl with extra chopped chives and a thin slice of Scotch bonnet for presentation.
Thanks for watching. If this was helpful, leave a like and consider subscribing. See you next time.